All right, so today we've got a very unique option. This is from Think Geek, and this in the day sold for about $20 to $30. This is now a collector's item. So if you are really a multi-tool addict, like I guess I am becoming, then this really needs to be in your collection, but it may cost you up to $110 to get one of these. So there's only a few of these I've seen on eBay, and I was able to snag one of these. These are getting pretty rare. And this right here on the end becomes an adjustable wrench. Now I have to say that this tool just makes me laugh because when you look at the adjustable wrench, at certain points it seems a little shaky like that right there. When you extend it to its full maximum opening, it's not too bad, but if someone sort of was working on their car and pulled one of these out, that I think would really make me laugh a lot. But it is pretty cool if you're storing some of your memorabilia and so forth on a shelf to have this right here and have some extra tools in it. I guess that's pretty cool. Now on the side, we have two screwdrivers. We have a Phillips screwdriver, and they have a little like O-ring that sort of helps it to be held in like so. And then we just have your standard flat screwdriver, and that fits in right here. Now in the back, I sort of like this. This is sort of like your secret door, I guess you could say, with the magnet right there. And then you can go ahead and you can pop out these hex tools, and then you can close this up, and then you can use this as a screwdriver of sorts. Now I'm not sure, I guess one of the things, because probably someone will ask, can you use this? Well, I don't know if anyone's going to ask this, but let's just go ahead and see. Can you use this as a 1/4 inch bit driver? Well, you can't use it in that slot as one. So let's go ahead and take this out. And actually you can in this slot. So I guess if you want to use it as a full 1/4 inch bit driver, that actually would work. So that is a little different, but it is a possibility. Now what they say is that this is made of zinc alloy, and that these are made out of carbon steel. So I'm not sure. I'm a little hesitant. I feel like this, it has a little bit of a cheap feeling. Again, it went for $20 to $30 when it was brand new. Now it's a lot more expensive because it's a discontinued product, but it is pretty cool, and my kids definitely enjoyed it and thought it was pretty neat, but I didn't let them play with it too much because it's just costing so much now that it's a collector's item. So make sure you keep a watch on eBay for this. Again, I think it's cool that you have these items right here, these hex tools in the back that you can pop these out. And then they do have a sort of a special way that they fit back in like so. Then they all sort of blend more seamlessly together. And then it is a nice touch that has this adjustable wrench, but again, I don't think it's for serious construction work at all. Well, let me know your thoughts on this. Do you have one of these? Have you picked this up? And if not, have you seen, I think it's Thor's hammer that is a whole toolkit for over $100 to $200. Is that something you'd be interested in seeing in the future? I probably won't spend that much money on it, though. All right, I'll see you in the next one.